What the?
Has something like this ever happened to you? Your home light suddenly goes out? Don't be too quick to throw it away, because it might still be fixable with some simple tools. Let me show you how.
Here's what you need: a soldering iron, solder wire, and tweezers.
First, open up the broken lamp so we can take a closer look. And here it is, a burnt-out LED. Now plug in the soldering iron and wait for it to heat up. Once it's hot, melt the solder on the damaged LED's legs. Use tweezers to carefully remove the LED. Be gentle, you don't want to damage the PCB traces. If you have a replacement LED, install it with the correct polarity. But if you don't, you can temporarily connect the two contact points with solder as a quick fix. And after we tried it, it still didn't work. So I checked again visually and noticed a few other LEDs that had turned black. This means they're also damaged. Here's the result after I soldered the new components. Let's try testing again, and this time it works. Now we tidy up and reassemble the lamp to its original shape so that no signs of repair are visible. See, it's not that hard. With just a few basic tools, your LED lamp can shine again. Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY repair tips. See you in the next video.
Perfect.